Hello folks, how you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Let me take off my mask because I don't have nobody around me. Guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. We're here in capital city Kingston. Actually, we're in the community of Mar Valley. Big up Iwola Mar Valley. Big up Iwola Jews Land. Big up Mullines Road. What you say? Love you guys. Thank you so much for joining us. All of you guys who have joined us, thank you so much. And you know, so we share the love, right? True? Yeah, we do show you the love because we allow you to ship your first package with us absolutely free. Any package you ship with us for the first time that is under £5, that ships for free. So you loving us, we loving you. We give you even more love. We give you a 4 free shipping coupon every year so you can ship with us 4 times per year absolutely free. Why do we do that? Because of the love. We love you, you love us. So we share, all right? So we're here on the delivery trail, guys. I just heard a hello. We're going over to make a delivery.